Hey everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for joining me today. Before we get to the video, I wanted to show you guys the dried results of the video that you're going to see today. Now, for this painting, I was going for a mid-century modern type of vibe with the colors. Some of the colors I did mix myself, so I will go ahead and show this to you. It is on a 15 by 30 inch canvas. And for example, this gray color, that's the background, that's a mixture of, I think it was gray from Liquitex and white. And then you'll see like kind of this tannish pink color right here. That is actually a mixture of Raw Sienna with a little bit of Venetian Rose from Amsterdam. So all the paints that I use and how I mix them, I will list it in the description box, so you guys can check that out. This painting is for sale in my Etsy shop. If you're interested, I will leave a link in the description box as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.